there in your flare system? The unit flare system is a critical safety system that must be in operation before any process material are brought into the unit. This is mandated by OSHA. That is what this is mandated by the law. We all are aware we have to start the flare before we are starting the process unit. You all are aware. So you have a process unit here. So maybe okay. So from here you are just you will have a flare. We may have here you have a knockout drum. You may be studied in safety after the cleaning the poisonous kind of environment. So this is for knockout drum. After that, this gaseous mixture they are taking through the water level column, then they are taking into the top level the flare. This is your stack. Okay, so here you have at the topmost part, it's like it's like this way, the arrangement. It's like a circle, like circle. So here I may mention it's like a burner. Okay, so it will come at one of the line from here. It will come like a burners. Okay, igniters. So it will ignite. Based on that, the flame will be there. The designing a stack height, this is different calculation. That is for fire and safety engineers. Even if you are interested, you can learn especially related to designing of a stack. So here this is your knockout drum. That KD knockout drum. This is your processing unit. I told you very clearly, this place they have a NRV as well as, right? They have a NRV, non-return wall. Okay, so when they are discussing flare system, the flare system is a critical safety system. It must be in operation before any process materials are brought into the unit. So before I am supplying the feed to the section, we must and should switch on the flare system first. Okay, this is by safety law or occupational health and safety and health safety and assessment, right? This requires that the flare headers and connecting pipe, piping system all be completely made up for. Okay, before we are supplying like this kind of the purge gas, we have to make sure, because if you are stop the fire, we have a maintenance of 40 days. Just assume approximately 1 month, 10 days. So 40 days you are maintaining. So after some time, if you have a individual plant, like delayed coker as a separate unit, it has a different stack. Like for example, RFCC has a separate unit and different flare. Just assume if they are producing a particular kind of product, they have separate unit. Rather than if it is a refinery, if you are finding in RPIC, you have a common flare system. That particular flare system, maybe 3 or 4 flare system together is connected to like 5 to 6 unit approximately. Maybe polypropylene plant and aromatic plant, main CDU plant, RFCC plant, delayed coker plant. So it's connected. Those case we cannot switch off the flare at all. Why? Because if one plant is off, another plant is running, we cannot switch it off. So that is different case. Only the valves of the particular production area line we are just closing and we are putting a positive isolation. But if we have independent kind of plant, that particular unit is connected to this particular flare. So those case we have to switch on previously before we are supplying to the feed. The second case, we have to make sure that there is no leakage or there is no problem with your flare system and connecting pipes, everything. That is what they are saying here. The system is then purged with an inert gas. So they are saying this vessel, okay, such as nitrogen, they are saying, to remove by air Okay, they are sweeping, for example, in a pipeline, they are trying to discuss now, sorry, this main vessel, mainly they are discussing about purely about the, flare system. So you can cross check, they can sweep, because I told you for a pipeline sweep purging. So they are using as an inert gas, sometimes they are using such as methane, sometimes, okay, from the natural gas, is then started at a rate specified in the operating procedure, and then the fire pilot or lightened. I told you the lightener will be there, that is what the fire pilot. Okay, out of this, like 5 to 6 circle you can put it. So one circle it will, this is your pilot. So this pilot will ignite the fire. We discussed in furnace, discussion, when I discussed for a unit flare operation. The flare system must be in operation whenever the process material are present in the unit, since it's a primary function as a safety device. So we cannot escape from this one. So we must and should know that. So please be remembered.